Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I wanted to show you what comes in the starter kit when you join the Stamping Beauties team. So I know a lot of you were interested, especially with that sale that we had in November, and we're going to be having another one during celebration. So that's going to start next month in January. But right now, as demonstrators, we can purchase some of the stuff that's coming out next month early. So you may want to get in on that to be able to purchase some of the great stamp sets right away. But this stamp kit was purchased during the big sale that we just had. So there was extra savings on top of it that I had told you guys about. So let me go ahead and show you what all you get. So right now, if you were to buy this kit, it's $99, and then you get to save, or you get to choose $125 worth of product. And so I will show you the $125 worth of product that the person who grabbed this kit is chose. So, but then I'll show you some of the stuff that they got for absolutely free, which was this paper pumpkin kit. And it is a free kit with your first join. You get a different one each time. This one that happens to be in here is the Bouquet of Hope, and it was from January. So we got that. What else? Now, if you wanted to do this as a business, they also give you the supplies for the business, and I will open this up so you can see what all is in here. I haven't gotten one of these in so long that I just don't remember what all is in here, but I know when I got mine, it was in a little folder as well. But look at this cute folder, it's beautiful. And then you open it up, and what is in here? We've got a welcome letter here from the CEO. We've got our statement of the heart, which is our, what do you call it? Mission statement. You get some creativity made easy. You get these little booklets. You get a join Stampin' Up, which it talks all about what I'm telling you right now so that you can give them out. And then it gives you marketing tools that you could purchase if you wanted to do this with as a business. And then look, you get a little Stampin' Up pen. So cute. What else? So you get to choose your $125 worth of product. And there are some of these garden gems that were chose. And I don't know what all she chose. So we're gonna look and see here. Looks like she's got lots of markers there. So we've got a hostess pack. Again, this is all for business. If you choose not to do it for business, that's okay. You could give all this stuff to all the business stuff, right? Like these catalogs. If you're gonna do it just for your own personal savings, then there are plenty of demonstrators like myself who are willing to take those off your hands, I'm sure. So that was a 8-pack of catalogs I just showed you. Also some customer order forms. We're getting into the fun stuff here. Some of the catalogs. Now this was last month. She bought this kit last month, so it has the current catalog, which is coming out or ending at the end of December. So she'll have to hand those out if she's gonna do this for business. And what else do we have here? Looks like she is getting ready for maybe her Christmas cards or Valentine's. So we've got some real red cardstock there. Remember, she bought this during the sale, so she was also getting a percentage off. So she really stretched her dollar. So good job on doing that. We've got cherry cobbler here. We've got crumb cake. What else? This is a little, I haven't even seen this. This is a Stampin' Cut embossing folder called Dotty Hearts. And it looks like it's got 2 little hearts. It looks like it has 2 in there. Can you see the hearts? Really cute, right? A little bit jealous. Maybe those are going to be Valentine's. And then a packet of invitations, so if she wants to have a party, if she's doing this as a business. What else do we have here? This came out of the packaging, and these are some blends. It looks like she may have been either doing it for her personal, and I do know, but I don't want to give it away because it's her own thing. She might change her mind just like I did. But she got some blends. It looks like she chose to do this business just to get the discount is what I would assume on here. This one is my favorite of all the blends that I have, and it's the cherry cobbler. What's this one? She chose crumb cake and a blackberry bliss, and finally another one of my favorites is the real red. And then she got some linen thread. So all of that, you guys, all of that she got for $75. So right now, unfortunately, it's not at that lower $75 price point because that sale did end. But she got all of this. And, I mean, everything here. But she chose her $125 worth of product. And she got $125 worth of product for only $99. And if she walks away, she doesn't sell anything else, she is still going to be on my team until at least April. So she gets a savings of 20% until April. And then if she decides to make a go of it, or if she just wants to keep her sale 20% off, then she just needs to purchase her minimum of $300 by the end of March. So, because her first quarter does not start until January. So, if you were to join in December, yours would be the same. Your first quarter does not start until January. Now, if you want to wait for celebration, there's going to be the same $99, $125, plus I think they are doing a special, and I'm not exactly sure what that one is. So as soon as I find out, I will definitely be telling you. But that one, if you start in January, after January 1st, and you take advantage of becoming a demonstrator, then you will be with the Stamping Beauties, which is the name of my team, until, let's see, March, April, May, June, July. You'll be there until July. So, and we get to have team meetings. I'm actually by the time you see this, I'll probably be in our Christmas party for our team meeting this month. And it is going to be fun. And it will be, you see my computer there, it's going to be online. And I am also having an in-person one for those who live in Arizona. But for those who don't, I still want to make sure I'm partying for Christmas and the holidays with my team. So we're going to do it online and have games and fun. And we meet every month. Also being part of my team, you get to attend my online class each month, absolutely free. And of course, our sip and stamp, everybody attends for free. And so I hope that you are interested. If you are, reach out to me. I will put the link in the description below. You can go to beautyandthestamper.com and get more information there, or you can go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net and get more information there, or simply call, email, or text me, and I would be happy to answer any questions you have. So I hope that helps you in understanding everything you get with the Stampin' Up! Demonstrator Starter Kit, and I am looking forward to you joining the team. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!